Texas highways carry more and more traffic every year, and as those roads get older, maintaining quality and safety becomes a challenge, especially in areas where frequent stops can lead to shoving and rutting.
So we relied on outdated national guidelines that don't necessarily reflect Texas conditions, and this project was able to fill that gap and develop a methodology that is rational and field verified.
TxDOT has many miles of old concrete pavement, but they are good assets. So we need a better cost-effective solution to extend those old concrete pavements.
Researchers from Texas Tech University and the Texas Department of Transportation look to address this challenge by developing a design framework for continuously reinforced concrete pavement, whitetopping, and unbonded overlays.
This research produced a design method for CRCP overlays based on deflection data. So it correlates pavement deflections with long-term performance. The deflection is measured with a falling weight deflectometer, and across pavement engineering, deflection is a proven indicator of long-term performance.
Much of the research was done in the field around the state. That data was later taken into account when processing results.
More specifically, what we did was we conducted deflection testing on the base and then on the concrete. Then we were trying to get some good correlation between those two deflections. TxDOT now has a good design procedure to address the problems at asphalt intersections, as well as for the rehab of the old concrete pavements. That's the real benefits for TxDOT.
Doing road work with this method can be faster than more traditional means of repair and have a lasting impact on the roads.
We found that placing concrete overlays on those asphalt intersections could provide a long-term solution for cracking, rutting, and shoving. Also, placing concrete on old concrete pavements could extend the life of the concrete pavement substantially.
If the project moves on to the implementation phase, the final result could be experienced by travelers statewide.
For the drivers, it means smoother roads, longer lasting pavements, fewer interruptions due to ongoing repairs, and ultimately this translates into safety and better ride for everybody.
By nature, pavement designs are very complicated and sometimes they are not accurate. This research tried to streamline the design process with actual data and the theoretical models, thus making this process pretty simple to use and at the same time pretty accurate.
This work shows how TxDOT's research partnership directly translates into practical tools for engineers. And this offers Texas a more sustainable and cost-effective path to maintaining world-class highways.
For more information and to find the publication for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.